To fix the login issue of Microsoft Teams, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Following video, I will guide you to fix the Microsoft Teams login issue. So if you are facing the problem of login issue on Microsoft Teams, then you just need to make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to log into your Teams account. But if you are already connected to Wi-Fi or data and if you are still not being able to log in, you just need to make sure to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. Turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and this will help you to reset all the network settings of the device and also helps you to fix the bugs and errors. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store on the device and click on the option of search, and you just need to search for the app called Teams. So after that, you just need to see if there is any kind of update available for the app, and if there is any kind of update available for the app, and make sure to update it to the latest version, because that may also be the reason that you are not being able to log into your app. So that's it. That's how you can fix the login issue of Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.